Hello, my name is Ranjith. I am currently on an exciting journey, pursuing my bachelor's in chemical engineering at Indian Institute of Petroleum and Energy. This is how internship certificate looks like. Let's see why coal chemicals plant is needed. Generally, any steel plant requires coal because coal is converted into coke, which is used in blast furnace for the iron ore reduction. Coke also serves as a heat source in blast furnace and also for various other purposes. While converting coal into coke in the absence of oxygen, the volatile matter and the moisture present in the coal forms a gas known as coke oven gas. This coke oven gas is then sent to coal chemicals plant for the recovery of various valuable chemicals like tar, naphthalene, anthracene, pitch, phenol, benzene, toluene, ammonium sulfate and other. There are certain chemicals in the coke oven gas that may damage the pipelines and may pollute the environment. So along with the recovery of useful chemicals, cleaning of coke oven gas also takes place in the coal chemicals plant. We will discuss this briefly later in the next video. Various sub-departments in coal chemicals plant are primary gas cooling, condensed pump house, ammonium sulfate plant, final gas cooling, tar distillation section, pitch cooling and loading area, naphthalene fine crystallizer section, mechanical biological chemical water treatment plant, benzol distillation plant and hydro refining and extractive distillation. Don't worry, in the later videos we will briefly look into each and every sub-department and connecting all of them.